So I want to introduce to you this new AI tool called Bolt.new. And this thing, guys, is a total game changer as it makes web app creation and deployment on VPS a total breeze. It has a super user-friendly design, and it's the first AI tool that allows you to install packages, run backends, and actually edit the code. So there's lots to love for both beginners and pros because it simplifies everything from writing code to prototyping. So in this video, I'll show you how to deploy your Bolt.new app on Hostinger VPS. But just before we do that, let's quickly discuss what you can actually do with Bolt.new. And truth be told, your imagination's the limit. Want to make an SEO link building tool? Go right ahead. Looking for something as simple as a product page for your online store? Sure thing. Or maybe you even want to create the next big thing to replace, let's say, Twitter. Or sorry, it's called X now, but you get the point. So look, as long as you can prompt it, you can build it with Bolt.new. And the fact that Bolt.new allows you to edit the output alone puts it ahead of any competition. However, in my opinion, Bolt.new is currently best for prototyping, proof of concepts, and demo versions of your web apps. At the same time, it's great for beginners too, as it can help you learn how to actually code, especially with the built-in error troubleshooter. I mean, this tool is becoming very popular among the community and is constantly being improved. So if you want to keep your finger on the pulse, make sure to check out the blog of Stack Blitz, who are the creators of Bolt.new. The link is right in the description of this video. And now let's talk about your Bolt.new app deployment on VPS. So to begin, you'll of course need to have made your own app. For this tutorial specifically, I've created a very simple VPress website on retro video games. But whatever app you build, the deployment process remains pretty much the same. So when your code is ready, click the download button at the top right corner of the screen and save the zip file. Now install Ubuntu 24.04 with Cloud Panel in Hostinger. With the file downloaded, let's get your VPS ready for the app. And by the way, guys, if you don't have a Hostinger VPS plan, now's the time to get it. You can do so by clicking the link right in the description. And of course, don't forget to enter the discount code VPS10 during checkout process to get an extra 10% off your yearly or longer subscriptions. All right, now you'll need to install Ubuntu 24.04 with Cloud Panel. Now to do that, just log into the H panel and click VPS. If you just bought the plan, choose Cloud Panel when setting up your server. Make sure of this. And alternatively, you'll need to reinstall the operating system, but I mean, if you do that, just make sure you back up your data first. So you can change the operating system by clicking on the three dots next to your server and hitting OS and Panel Settings. When the new window opens up, choose the OS with Panel tab and click Cloud Panel. Go through the verification steps, provide your new password, and just wait while the operating system is installed. Now, once the Cloud Panel is set up, go to this address right here and replace your VPS IP with your server's IP address, which you can find on hPanel's VPS overview page. After that's done, just enter your login credentials, and by default, the root's user's name is admin. When you're in, just navigate to the Sites tab. There, click Add Site and choose Node.js. On this page, you'll need to enter your domain name to make the web app accessible. Enter one that you've got available or pop your host name in here. You'll be able to change it later on anyway, so just do it for now. Don't forget to note down the security credentials because, I mean, you don't want those getting lost. Now, see this screen? That means you're ready to upload your web application. On this page, click Manage to the right of your website, then choose the File Manager tab. Now navigate to htdocs, from there to the folder named after your domain. Click Add New and choose Upload File. And yeah, we'll be uploading the zip file we got from Bolt.new. Then right-click the file and extract it. Make sure the files and folders from the build are right within this directory, and then move them here from the project subfolder. Next up, let's install the dependencies for your web app. Now to do that, you'll need to connect to your server via SSH. If you don't know how to do that, check out the article right in the description below. Once you've established the SSH connection, navigate to your project directory and remember to replace your username and your domain name with your directory's names. It's time to add its dependencies too. You can do that with this command over here. When the Node Package Manager has been installed, it's time to build the application. Now to do that, just run the build command, and keep in mind that the wording may be different and you can check what Bolt.new prepared for you by examining the list of available scripts. To do that, run npm run, then install the serve package globally by running this command. Alright, all that's left to do is use pm2, the Node Project Manager, to keep the server on. To do that, run the following commands in this order. And remember that this folder structure makes sense if you're using vpress, but you'll need to replace the path if you're running a different kind of project. Alright, now it's time to verify that your app is actually operational. So just open the domain name you chose on Cloud Panel in your browser, and you should be able to see it in all of its glory. That should, really be it, but I recommend doing just one more thing in the name of security, and that's enabling SSL. You can do that by returning to your Cloud Panel's Manage page and choosing the SSL/TLS tab. Once there, click Actions and choose New Let's Encrypt Certificate. Click the Create button and you're all done. Great job. And there you have it. Now you know how to deploy your brand new Bolt.new web application on your Hostinger VPS. And also guys, just make sure to leave a comment and tell us what you've built with this new AI tool. And if you found the video helpful at all, please leave us a like and consider subscribing to Hostinger Academy for more helpful videos just like this one in the future. Thank you so much for watching. As always, best of luck on building and deploying your apps, and I'll see you next time.